Okay, so this is the EasyCap. This one is USB analog composite input video capture. So what we do is we use this to record all of the old movie that we have from the VCR or those old video camera. So I'm going to test it with the output, and we're going to go in here. So now what we need to do is to use Windows 10 and how to do it software wise. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to get the drivers. So if you search actually SMI USB grapper driver for Windows 10, you will see this. Okay, so you go to this one here and you're going to download Windows 10 32 and 64-bit. So
8637, you're going to download. Okay.
So show in folder. I'm going to rename this one SMI USB grabber. So let's do this one. CFS7-zip. So now you have it in here, all of these. So when you plug this one in, this PC, right click property and device manager. So you will see the device. Okay, you're going to see the SMI and it will be in question mark. So that means it doesn't have driver. So what you need to do is to right click and you navigate to the folder. You don't have, when you see this unknown device kind of like this with the SMI grabber device, what you do is you update driver, browse, and then you're going to browse to USB, and then you're going to click next, and then it's going to install it for you. I already installed it, so the next one you want to do is to go get the OBS Studio. So you're going to open it up. So now you're going to hear the echo. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go to the source and the device. You're going to select SMI grabber device. So all of the old movies gonna be 720 by 480. So that's what I'm gonna set it at. And I'm gonna match the output with the FPS, frame per second. Okay? So this is the configure for video. Now, important thing is for the sound. So for the sound, you're going to go to video capture device. And you see right here, all of these. Oh, actually, you know what? I should turn the mic on this one to off. And also this one to off. So you don't hear me echoing. but you want the video capture to be active. Or if you want, while you're recording, and then you want to say something, you use the microphone on. So now, say this is your video. So when you come up, you can adjust the screen. Whatever's appear here is gonna go, it's gonna record. So whatever you wanna make it in the middle. Okay? So let's play it first. So I'm recording it right now, and I'm saying it's something in it too with a microphone. So let's see if it's gonna come out good. So it's kind of like narration. So what it does is that it's gonna go into video. This is the one. So it has a sound, so it's good. So I'm saying it's something in it too with a microphone. It's gonna come out good. So it's kind of like narration. Okay, so another way you can do is you can record with VLC media player. So what you want to do is you go to playback, media, open capture device, and you're going to go to SMI, grab a device, same thing. The aspect ratio on this one is 4:3, but anyhow. So you can play. Okay, so let's play. Make sure that it's a direct show. So now it's on it. So what we're going to do is we can record. So they have a music on that. Okay, stop. Now we go again to video, and then we see it here. They have a sound. It's really nice. Okay, so what is this format? This is the MKV. This one here is AVI. So either way, you're going to have to convert them to, if you get yourself Movie Maker from 2012, which they don't have anymore, we can put these in here. So what happened? On this one right here, I capture using the OBS, but it's in MKV. So what we're going to do is we're going to save movie, recommend it for this project. So we're going to put it in video, and this one we call it KV. So my computer is very fast, so it's good. So play. All right. So I'm saying there's something in it too with a microphone. It's gonna come out good. So it's kind of like narration. And then we're gonna add VLC record, but it doesn't work for some reason. So for all of the conversion between MKV or AVI or anything like that, handbrake is the best. So you can go to handbrake. So I'm going to drop a file there, video. All right. So handbrake can see it, but the other guy can't. So what we're going to do is going to go to video. And frame rate always use the same as source. Dimension on this one is going to crop automatically for me. So it's kind of nice. So this one is for the quality. So whatever is set 22 because all of the old movies is going to be blurry anyway. So the audio, so they're going to save as. Now this one is M4V. So we're going to go to preferences, and instead output file automatic, we want MP4. When done, do nothing. All right, so everything else is okay. Just leave it the same. Draw a file. So let's start encode. All right, it's done. So now we have this.